Hello! Today I'm going to tell you why you're still not rich. This video isn't just motivation. It's an honest conversation about what's really holding people back from becoming wealthy. If you want to change your life, listen carefully. 1. Fear versus comfort zone. Imagine this. You want to start a business, but you think, what if I fail? Now answer me this. How many people got rich sitting on the couch? 0. Wealth requires action. Take Elon Musk, for example. He risked everything by investing in Tesla when no one believed in electric cars. Your task is simple. Take the first step. To make a big start, you just need to get off the couch. 2. You don't really want to be rich. Sounds strange, but it's true. Many people are afraid of wealth and unconsciously push money away because they fear responsibility, change, or simply don't believe they deserve success. They work multiple jobs but don't invest in themselves, in knowledge, skills, or personal growth. Instead, they spend their earnings on short-term pleasures to relieve stress. 3. You have wrong beliefs about money. From childhood, we're fed myths like, not everyone can be rich, all rich people are thieves, or you can't earn big money through honest work. These beliefs act like chains that keep you trapped in poverty. They shape your mindset and prevent you from seeing opportunities. As long as you believe these myths, you won't be able to become wealthy. 4. You don't think like a rich person. The difference between poor and rich people lies in their mindset. Poor people think there's never enough money and that opportunities are limited. Rich people see abundance, seek solutions, and find ways even when resources are scarce. They constantly ask themselves, how can I? And take steps toward their goals despite difficulties. 5. You don't invest in yourself and your growth. To become wealthy, you need to continuously learn, grow, and invest in your knowledge and skills. Money loves movement and growth. If you spend everything on survival or entertainment, wealth won't come. Investing in yourself is what separates successful people from the rest. 6. You don't set real goals and lack reasons to become rich. Without strong motivation and clear goals, money won't come. You need to understand why you want money, for freedom, to fulfill dreams, to help loved ones, or to grow your business. Only then will you start moving forward and seeking opportunities. 7. You've stopped moving forward. Maybe things were going well for you once. You had a high-paying job, a house, and a fancy car. But then you decided it was enough, and now you're lying on the couch, mindlessly scrolling through TikTok videos. Friend, if you didn't know, your hard-earned money is disappearing. It's evaporating right now. Inflation, poor spending habits, and countless other factors are eating away at it. Money only grows through systematic accumulation without stopping. What should you do right now? Friend. First, close your eyes and honestly ask yourself, why am I still not rich? Write down all your thoughts, even the strangest and most uncomfortable ones. This will help you identify your internal blocks. Step out of your comfort zone. Register on a freelance platform, learn about AI tools, or read an article about investments. Let it be a small step, but one toward a big future. Start changing your beliefs about money. Remember, money isn't evil. It's a tool to achieve your desires and freedom. Learn to think like a wealthy person. Instead of saying, I don't have money, ask yourself, how can I get money? Invest in yourself. Read books, take courses, and develop new skills. Set real, inspiring goals and move toward them step by step. And stop waiting for the perfect moment. The best time to start living a better life is now. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more useful content ahead about earning money and motivation.